Hi guys, today we will learn how to do thermochemistry. And of course, my name's Chantal. Okay, so let's start now. Question 1. Gold has a specific heat of 0.129. How many joules of heat energy are required to raise the temperature of 15 grams of gold from 22 Celsius to 85 Celsius. Okay, so let's first start off by identifying our variables and units. So if we read it, we have variables, right? Okay, so now let's see what we need to find in this question. So Q is equal to amount of heat. M is equal to mass. C is equal to specific heat. And triangle T is equal to change in temperature. Okay, so in this problem, these are the variables. C is equal to 0.129 because gold has a specific heat of 0.129, and in the question it said specific heat was 0.129, and C is equal to specific heat. So M is equal to 15 grams because of the same thing, as well as triangle T is equal to 85 degrees minus 22 degrees, which will equal to 63 degrees. In this case, triangle T is equal to 85 Celsius minus 22 Celsius because there is a change in temperature, plus the change in temperature was in between two numbers, so then you needed to subtract them, which would equal to 63 degrees. So now that we have these, we have to find Q, right? And which Q is equal to amount of heat. And we need to find amount of heat because the question is asking how many joules. So Q is equal to how many amount of heat, which is joules right here. Joules. The unit is joules. Now that we have our variables and units, we need to plug it into our equation. We'll be using the equation Q equals M times C times triangle T. Q is in the front because that is what we are trying to find, the amount of heat. Then the equation says M is after the equal sign. So we go M equals 15 grams. So we plug that in. Times, next is C, specific heat. So C equals 0.129. And we plug that into our equation. Now that we look at it, we have Q equals 15 grams times 0.129. Lastly, we need to plug in triangle T, which is the change in temperature. Triangle T is equal to 63 degrees because remember, we subtract 85 degrees and 22 Celsius. Our equation is now complete. Q equals 15 grams times 0.129 times 63 Celsius. If we times all of this, when we times all of this, Q equals 121.9 joules. The final unit is joules because we are trying to find the amount of joules. Now that we have our answer, is it endothermic or exothermic? Endothermic is heat coming in. Exothermic is heat leaving. So the answer is endothermic.